is Clara Ogushemi, and I'm project coordinator for the Fed Shack Choir project in Nigeria. I would like to specially thank you so much for your support and donations towards the project so far. We're moving on to the next level, which is to introduce our social media page tagged Fed Shack Choir Project Concerts. Here you can invite your friends and family to join us, support us, and learn more about the project. There are 3 ways to do this. First, find us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter with the hashtag Fed Shack Choir Project Concerts. Second, be sure to like and follow us. Third, invite your friends, family, mom, dad, uncles, and aunties to come on board. Again, my name is Clara Ogushemi, project coordinator for the Fed Shack Choir project in Nigeria, and I look forward to seeing you in concert on Sunday, November 13, 2016 in Lagos, Nigeria. Bye-bye.